Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Changing your phone number on an iPhone involves a few steps, primarily depending on your carrier settings. Follow this detailed instruction to update your phone number on your iPhone. The first step is to contact your mobile carrier to request a new phone number. They will guide you through the process and any associated fees. If the carrier provides a new SIM card, power up your iPhone. Remove the old SIM card using a SIM rejector tool and insert the new SIM card. Power on your iPhone after injecting the new SIM card. The next step is to update your iMessage and FaceTime. Open the setting app, then you scroll down and tap on Messages. Next, you tap on Send and Receive. Make sure your new phone number is selected under the You Can Receive iMessage to and Reply From section. The next step is to update your contacts and accounts. Under the Setting app, scroll down and tap on Phone. Your new phone number should appear at the top next to My Number. If it doesn't, you can manually update it by tapping My Number and entering the new number. You should ensure that any apps or services that rely on your phone number, such as WhatsApp, banking app, etc., are updated with your new phone number. Each app may have its own process for updating your phone number. And that's it guys, changing your phone number on an iPhone involves both hardware, that is SIM card, and software update. Following these steps, ensure that your new number is correctly set up across all relevant services on your iPhone. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.